Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Lamtto DC22 Dashcam. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the Lamtto DC22 Cellular Dashcam. So it says cellular and it shows LTE in here, so it uses a SIM card. So first, packaging. Very nice packaging here, small form factor packaging, and it shows some of its feature already on the box. So again, LTE. So it has a radar, G sensor, parking alerts. For this one, has a two-way voice call, so you can communicate with it directly. You can also do an upload to a cloud, and also an optional, I think this will be optional, for the OBD power protection. We'll find out once we open if that's optional. So again, this is GPS, it has GPS on it. So let's just open this and see what's inside. Okay, user manual, typical user manual in here. We got some QR code in here for the app that we need to download to access it. It says U-Box Pro. I think that's for the subscription. And here's the camera itself. There's a memory card I can see. And the lens here. So if we want to peel this now, we can peel it. We got another lens in here. Let's peel that too. What I'm excited about this, it has the cellular feature. So yeah, that will help. Yeah, so it has a Type-C connector. We have a mic and a reset pinhole in there. We have our power button. I don't know what that is. I think that's lock. And a file lock in here, because it has like the camera and it has a lock in there. So yeah, so I think this one rotates. It looks like it rotates though. I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, it looks like a security camera for home, but it's okay. So it's a little large, but again, it's dual. So it records the inside of the vehicle and also the outside. So this one is the one that records the front of the vehicle, basically the outside. It records the hood, and this one records the inside. You got some vents in here which gonna help dissipate the heat on it. So let's check what else we have here in the box. So packaging material has a dense foam. And what else? Oh, okay, so it got an OBD power, so that's nice. So it's not connected to your auxiliary power. So with this one, you can actually set it up for the power. So 12 volts, basically. This is like probably for protection. So if, yeah, voltage protection is what I'm thinking this one is. So if you put it on 12 volts or 11.6, so if your battery goes to 11.6, then this one will stop recording. And then it has something here. I don't know what that is. Probably like after. I don't know. We're gonna check the manual on that. But yeah, so this one, it's nice that they added this one. This one, basically the one that we stick in our windshield, and then we just slide this in to that one, to the main base. We have some SIM eject tool and some cable management. Let's check the manual. Okay, because I don't see where the SIM card goes, because it says there TF. That's trans flash. I think, yeah, this one looks IR to me. I don't see where the SIM card is. So let's check the manual. Okay, it says here that the SIM card slot supposed to be here. Oh, okay, there you go. I feel it. It is covered in tape. So here, it's up to you if you want to remove it, but I'll remove it. So the SIM card is there. Okay, so let's just put that back in there. So yeah, so with this one, number 8, that's the privacy mode. I think that's to mute your audio. This one, this is to manually lock the video to save the file. And basically the rest, just follow the instructions in here. Yeah, this should be an easy. So I'm going to install this. I'm gonna place it on my car where it's gonna be convenient for the testing on this one. So yeah, and then I'll show you how to connect this into the network. So it comes with a SIM card, so it will come with a trial, like 7 days free trial. From there, it's going to be a subscription. I'll show you the subscription that they have in here in a moment. So let me just double check them. All right. All right. So for the data for this one, so it's going to be $19.90 per month on this one for your data. Again, that's your a month. So if you're gonna get a package for 6 months, it's gonna be $99.99 for it. But if you top it off, basically from your first top off, it's gonna be $9.99 or $9.90. But if you get the package for the 6 months, it's gonna be $94.90. Or if you choose the annual after your at your first top off, it will be $159.90, and that is just for the data. So if you want to use their cloud service, again, it has a 30-day free trial for the cloud, and after that, if you want a 30-day loop recording a month, it's going to be $4. Or if you want the package for 6 months, it's going to be $22. And that will have the 30-day loop recording. Again, it's optional. If you want to use the cloud recording, you can save it on the memory card if you want to. But just in case something happens on the card, if it breaks, then at least you have something saved on the cloud. So yeah, so again, I'm going to go in the car, install this, and I'll show you some footage how this one looks like. All right. All right, so we have it installed right now, and yeah, so we're going to do some test drive where I'm gonna include some video of me driving with this dash cam on. And yeah, so I'll include the footage right now here on my phone. It is actually being monitored, so I'm accessing the app, so it is connected to it right now, and it looks okay. I can see the values of the GPS, the date. When we're driving, it shows the speed, which it will show on the sample videos that I'll include on this particular video. Okay, so yeah, so I hope this one will work well. So I just put it in there. I did not hook up the hardwire kit or the OBD kit that comes with it. I just used one of my USB connection on top of my windshield in here. So in the back of this rear view mirror, so I have an adapter that I can just plug in any USB devices. So yeah. Alright, so we're using the Lamtto Dashcam right now. So basically, this is the video quality that you're gonna get. So again, it's recording in the front and also the inside of the vehicle. So as you see right now, I am recording it using this footage. I'll be putting this one on the video, okay? So again, we'll see how it looks like on the computer once we transfer it over, alright? So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.